Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, simply press and hold the home button, this one right here, and keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. And once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the smartband is done rebooting. Like this. And that's how you force restart this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.